Crews have been wrapping up their fall season work. They're now pressing pause thanks to this week's weather. NBC5's Yunia Martinez spoke with businesses about how they're handling all the snow.
We always have to delay projects due to weather changes.
Early season snow throwing everything off track for outdoor work crews across Vermont.
It was very unexpected.
Tommy Higgins and his crew at Rivers Construction were racing to finish roofs and gutters before winter hit. Now they're stalled.
That cannot be done in temperatures under 40 degrees for rubber. And with the snowfall, obviously we can't be roofing with wet conditions. It just isn't practical or safe.
This week's weather didn't just chill the air, it froze the workflow. In Burlington, landscapers were supposed to be wrapping up fall cleanups. Instead, they're staring down frozen lawns and half-buried leaf piles. Over at Vertscape Landscaping, they manage more than 40 properties. Now, they have to pivot.
It is really difficult to switch from maintenance to installation or from installation to snow plowing because it requires different tires. It requires different equipment.
One day it's leaf blowers, the next it's snow plows. But with some trees still hanging onto their leaves, they say switching gears can be complicated.
It's taking a hit on the business because as soon as we saw that it was accumulating that fast, we had to stop all the vehicles and all the projects, the maintenance projects.
For Rivers Construction, that means shifting to repair work and waiting for a clear stretch of weather.
Obviously, when snow is coming down this hard and building up on roofs, it's going to create leaks. So we'll start focusing on that type of work. And if there is not an opening for the roofs that we had planned on doing in the past week, then we'll just push those off into next year.
Now, these local businesses are encouraging homeowners to make sure your home is in winter mode now because it looks like this winter is coming early and a lot stronger than in years past. In South Burlington, Yunia Martinez, NBC5 News.